Hey guys, Crypto Vet here coming at you from the coin bunker. Thanks for ducking in. All right, so today I'm excited to get into BlockchainFX. I came across this one and I've been sleeping on this one. I know that it's been out for a while. I can't believe I haven't done it yet. But we're going to go over this and I'm going to decide whether I want to invest in this or not because we've talked and we talk about, when we do these crypto pre-sales, especially the meme coins, how to play these things. And I've said in the past, when I catch one that has a really generous staking rewards program and I catch it in its first phase, then I'll usually go ahead and throw a little money at it, and just kind of ride it out and take advantage of the price increases and the staking. And then and then someone commented, well, you should never buy into these pre-sales until it launches because they always inevitably go down at launch. And that's kind of true. Sometimes they do go up, but a lot in the past have gone down. But you can buy that dip and then just lower your dollar cost average. One of the reasons I buy into these pre-sales is just so I won't forget about it. Put a little bit of money into it, and then I'm more prone to monitor it, and I don't miss the listing. And then if it does drop, I can always buy a little bit more. So we're going to get into Blockchain FX, guys. It's going to be a longer video. Please try to stick it out because we don't just go over the website word for word. We talk about different strategies and how to play these different pre-sales. Okay, so Blockchain FX is the next gen crypto exchange that connects DeFi with traditional finance markets. It's the only Web3 platform offering access to stocks, forex, EFTs, and more. So, I mean, this is a big project. The first crypto exchange bridging blockchain and finance, Bitcoin, Ethereum, gold, Tesla, and over 500 more assets. So, you can go from stocks to gold to, it's an exchange for basically everything under the sun. It's going to integrate it all. All right, so let's get into the nuts and bolts of the pre-sale. Okay, so they've raised a pretty significant amount. I mean, 5,608,970. That's nothing to sneeze at. A lot of these pre-sales fail to break 1 million, so that's a pretty good amount. I'm sure they have some institutional investors when you're talking about a project like this. Okay, so the pre-sale price right now is 0.02, so 2 cents, which is, that's pretty, I mean, that's kind of a high price, not for a project like this, but for a crypto pre-sale in general. A lot of times you'll see, fractions of a penny. So, but they're going to launch at 0.05. So you have what is that? Probably like a 65% increase or something like that built into just being in the pre-sale. You get in now, when it launches at that price, you're already in the money. And I think they have a staking program as well, and we're going to get into that. Now, they have been verified and audited by CoinSalt, Certic, and SolidProof. So you see SolidProof and CoinSalt a lot. I've never heard of this one. Okay. And obviously they're getting some exposure from some of the bigger sites. So let's get into what makes this thing different. We're going to check out the tokenomics and yeah, we're going to get into all that here just in a second. Okay, pioneering crypto exchange, BlockchainFX is redefining the future of trading with an all-in-one decentralized platform where users can trade anything, anywhere, while maintaining full control over their assets. Currently in the beta and awarded Best New Crypto Trading App of 2025, wow, BlockchainFX has already received outstanding feedback from users, and the BFX pre-sale holders can now be part of the next major global platform. Okay, so they have a demo, so you can kind of see, what it's going to look like. It's going to kind of look like, it kind of reminds me of like Webull or something like that. That's probably old news now. I used to use Webull when I was a day trader. Okay, so daily staking rewards. Get in now and start earning every day. Okay, so you own the BFX, which will be the ticker symbol. Buy BFX during the pre-sale in just a few seconds. Stake your BFX And then the staking rewards, it says your BFX and USDT rewards will appear on the dashboard 24 hours after you stake your coins. So it looks like once you stake your coins, you get rewarded in USDT. That's pretty interesting. I kind of like that idea. Okay, so blockchain, this is how it works. Blockchain FX is a global exchange where users can trade crypto stocks, forex, EFTs, and more. Every time someone trades, 70% of the trade fees go towards the BFX staking pool, buybacks, and token burns. Staking rewards are based on how much BFX a community member holds and are capped at 24,000 USDT per day. So this is just a chart of how it's gonna work, how a flow chart, I would say. Okay, so they have a BFX Visa card. So metal or 18 karat gold card, top up with BFX and 20 plus cryptos, up to $100,000 per transaction, up to $10,000 monthly ATM withdrawals. You use BFX and USDT rewards for payments. So, I mean, they're going big. This kind of reminds me of like Cubetics or something. Sometimes you run across one of these projects that's just so broad, and you just know it's like a game changer. Okay, the benefits of buying BFX during the pre-sale. This is going to be interesting because we talked about some of the reasons in the beginning why you might want to do that. Okay, lowest token price before launch. We always talk about the earlier you get in, the lower the price, the better. Limited edition BFX Visa cards, exclusive bonus trading credits, get up to $25,000 in free trading credits to kickstart trading on BlockchainFX with no conditions attached, and then daily USDT staking rewards. You can buy now and you can stake and you get rewarded in USDT, which I think is a good idea because, it's basically getting paid in cash. All right, so let's check out this bonus section. Get special bonuses starting from $1,000. Buy BFX during the pre-sale and join the Founders Club. Starting from just $1,000, get your exclusive NFT, BFX Visa card, bonus tokens, daily USDT staking rewards, and free trading credits, exclusively available during the pre-sale. So they're really rewarding people for getting in early, and they have a lot of incentives to keep people involved. And you're seeing that a lot in these newer projects. They don't want to just be a token that comes out. They really want to reward what I would call their seed investors, the people that believe in it from the beginning and put their money into it for beginning. They're trying to protect people from rug pulls because you're going to be so way up there with the price increases and the free rewards from staking. It's not going to matter if it drops a little bit. You'll still be in a good position. Okay, so that looks like they have these are the different tiers of investment. You can buy the $1,000 to 2,500 and 5,000. And then these are the different benefits. You get 10% bonus with this one, 20%, and obviously the more you invest, the bigger the rewards. All right, so let's get into, they have a biggest buy competition. All right, let's get into some of the tokenomics. I want to see how many of these things are minted, and then we'll see what else we could find out about this thing. Okay, this pie chart is showing like the global trading discrepancy between different assets and basically the reason why they're saying blockchain FX is the future. It says crypto makes up only 0.87% of global trading volume in 2024, averaging 84.3 billion daily. Meanwhile, the forex market alone handles 7.5 trillion per day. This gap presents a major opportunity for BFX to connect crypto users with the world's largest financial markets. Now here, this isn't interesting. The first crypto exchange that pays its holders. Okay, so with other crypto exchanges, you have high fees with no rewards for users. Blockchain FX offers shares profits with the community. Only crypto to crypto trading, where with blockchain FX you can swap instantly between cryptos, stocks, forex, commodities, EFTs, and more. Random account restrictions and freezes and other exchanges. And with this, you can withdraw your crypto at any time, no lock-ins. Users see purely as profits generators for the exchange and other exchanges, and the community earns, grows, and builds the platform alongside BlockchainFX. So I really like this project so far. So far, what we've seen. The standout features: cryptocurrency from exchanges have historically performed well due to their active user base, platform revenue, and ongoing marketing. BFX is the first token from a multi asset trading platform, offers unique features that bring real value to the market. Okay, so you can see how many are minted here. It's the same. That's what I'm trying to find out. I want to find out how many there are. And they have white paper. Okay, here we are. Token details. Token allocation is structured to reward early supporters the most. I talked about that earlier. These new pre-sales are really starting to reward their seed investors, like life-changing rewards. Crypto pre-sale allocation is 50%. 5% for the central exchange listing, 15% for pre-sale bonuses, 5% development, 5% team, 20% liquidity. Okay, so they have a total supply of 3.5 billion. Token symbol BFX. They're going to launch on Uniswap and a central exchange, they're claiming, and this is an Ethereum token. Okay, the roadmap. Let's see where we're at right now. The launch BFX pre-sale. We're in the execution phase. And so the launch phase will be they launch the affiliate program, sell out the pre-sale, launch BFX on Uniswap, and okay. So let's go back up to the top. Now, if some of you guys, if you've never bought into one of these crypto pre-sales before, we're going to go over the frequently asked questions. All you do is you go, excuse me, to this crypto landing page, the BlockchainFX landing page. You connect your wallet, whatever wallet you want to use. Coinbase, MetaMask, Trust Wallet, Best Wallet is becoming real popular with crypto pre-sales, and you just go ahead and make your purchase with whatever cryptocurrency they're accepting, and sometimes they accept a card as well. Now, keep in mind that the tokens will not show up in your wallet typically when you purchase them. They'll be locked away into the website, and then after the pre-sale ends, you have to come back and you have to claim them, and you have to pay a little bit of some Ethereum gas fees, and we talk about that in other pre-sale videos, and we'll go over it again about how much you're going to need to claim these. It's not free, and I've seen, when the pre-sale ends and everybody's trying to claim them, I've seen gas fees as high as $40 or $50. So you're going to have to do a cost-benefit analysis on that and determine whether it's worth it to pay those fees, because if the price is going down, you might as well wait, because within 24 hours, the fees will go back down to $1 or $2 where they should be. But when this thing first, or with any pre-sale first closes, the gas fees are exorbitant. All right, so let's check out the frequently asked questions, and then we'll close this one out. Okay, let's see if there's anything interesting in the FAQs. Okay, what is BlockchainFX? We went over that. What is BFX? That's their native token. Crypto presale is how you get in early. Okay, where can I see my tokens? I kind of explained this, but you can view your tokens in your dashboard wallet. Simply click Connect Wallet in the top right corner, right here, and you'll be able to see your balance, how many you have staked, your staking rewards, and all of that. And then once the pre-sale ends, you just go ahead and claim them. Are my tokens safe? The safety of your tokens during the pre-sale is 100% guaranteed through our smart contract. And how to claim, I kind of explained that as well. Okay, so that is BlockchainFX. I think that the way I'm going to play this one, I think I'm going to put a little bit of money into it and stake it. And the reason why is because there's going to be a price increase from 2 cents to 5 cents. And then, I'll have some free tokens from the staking rewards. And it's just basically so I'll be able to keep track of this and I won't forget about it. Because I always put up on my board my little chart up here what pre-sales that I'm in, and I check them to see the progress and stuff, and I don't want to forget about this one. And when it launches, and if the price does go down, then I'll probably, with a project like this is a long-term hold. This is not a meme coin. I'll probably go ahead and buy the dip and lower my dollar cost average, and then just, keep it in the wallet. All right, so that's Blockchain FX. I hope you enjoyed this. Please subscribe and like. The channel is about 3 months old. Coin Bunker. We do a lot of crypto pre-sales, mining projects, a little bit of everything under the sun. Be sure to check it out. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.